I joined First Year Encounter because I'm not from this area, so I wanted to see the people and interact and see the lay of the land of what school I'm going to. The things I've been doing with FYE is right now we're at Chickpea Cupboard and we're helping, basically we're a food pantry and we're helping packing bags so people can come and pick up food whenever they like. If someone were to come to Elms and come to FYE and join, I would say it's honestly a really good experience. It helps you like kind of understand the area and like gain a new like compassion for people and like learn empathy as well. And it's just a really good experience.
The acts of service and doing work for my community, it's always something I've had like a connection to. So being able to do that like for my school and actually like make a difference with other people and getting to know them was an opportunity that I couldn't pass up. This year I'm doing it returning as a leader because I want to help like other students get the same experience that I did. Being able to like see the difference that you make on people's faces every day, being able to like look at the progress you made within a place and just to see the difference and how important that it is. Even if it's just in one person's life, it's still better than doing absolutely nothing, is how I see it.